Okay, here we are. It's been a few days since I've been able to work on this. I did get my parts in the other day. Not exactly what I expected. These jack plates are not bent, they're flat. So we're going to have to unbag one here and see if I can bend it a little bit to go with the contour of my guitar body. So that's on the agenda today. These are the pots and the switch I'm going to use right here. Just two pots, and then I'm going to go ahead and use this switch that came out of one of the kit guitars. I've been trying to keep the cost down on this. That's why we're going that way. If it don't work out, then I'll take it all apart and we'll buy all the new upgraded stuff for it. But anyway, so now I've got to do is figure out what I have to do is I have to drill out or hog out the back side or the inside here so that my pots can come all the way through the top so I can bolt them on. And like this one I was using to experiment with. So I got to figure out what size Fastener bit. I think is what I'm going to use as a Fastener bit. We'll be taping these out of my way. I think I ought to do that while I'm thinking about it here. I'm glad to see that this project has sparked a little bit of an interest in some of you out there. And I thank you for all the cool comments that some of you have been putting on my videos. I appreciate it. So anyway, there we go. I got them taped out of the way for now. Just put an extra piece of tape on there just for insurance. And that should hold everything out of the way for a little while. Now there's several ways we can go about this. Dane Nichols of Jonah Guitars and we talked about this too. I've done it. He's done it. What I can do, I can go in and plug the holes that I already drilled out. Just plug them so it gives the Fastener bit something to bite into. And I've done it both ways. I've done it with and without. I'm going to try without. We'll test it. If I don't think it's going to work, then we will go the other way. We'll plug them holes and then re-drill. Now we don't have to go very deep at all. I just need a little bit there so we can grab the nut, you know. It's almost there. I mean, it's like I said, it's not that far off. Once I can get this part of it done, then it won't take long to make this a player. Hopefully. Yep, that looks good. All right, we're going to try this. Yep, something tells me I forgot to. Oh, you dummy. I forgot to chuck that up. Why didn't somebody out there tell me you forgot to chuck that up? Oh gosh. Yeah. Well, anyway, spent the whole day yesterday in the big city. My wife had to have some exploratory surgery done, and we're waiting to hear the results from that. So, but everything went good. The doctor didn't find anything wrong. They just have to send their things in to have whatever they cut out of her, have it tested. Nope, go in there. There we go. Honey. Yep, that's just what we need right there. Awesome. So now we'll do this a couple more times. I got to check that switch to make sure it'll work, but we'll find out here in just a moment. Hope that's coming out on camera. My system's not out here right now. Oh yeah, so you're missing it. Let's try, see if I can get it in there. Let's get you up a little closer, a little closer. Yeah, maybe you can see what I'm doing. I'm dropping this down, lining this up best I can. This one's going to be for the switch. So anyway, so what we wound up doing is we got the holes drilled for everything. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring the vacuum over here and suck all the sawdust out of this. I'll be making. Got most of that out of there. So I'm going to go ahead and just slide these things into place. And then if I have to, I'll remove them later. I don't know how much of this you're going to see on video, but you know, you've seen one guy put bolt-on pots and switches. You've seen them all. As I get these mounted, then we'll see what I can do about this output jack plate. Now I'm not going to bolt them in or anything like that. We're just going to put things into place here. I'll take care of the details once we get back in the house onto my workbench in there. That's usually where I assemble all my guitars. Well, has these videos made you want to try to make a guitar on your own from scratch? Um, they are a lot of fun to do. And the only way you're ever going to learn is start doing them, start making them. And you can't learn by just watching people like me make them. Got to get your hands dirty sooner or later. All right, so we got those mounted. Oh, yeah, my old man eyes is kicking in. It's late afternoon here, almost dinner time. This is when the old timer starts to get to me. So anyway, find something to open this package up with. Couldn't come out here yesterday because it was just we had a heck of a storm come through here, and it was just a dumping. So not only that, like I said, I was in the big city all day yesterday. Well, it's obvious that output jack's not going to work. I don't think it will. Yeah, it's a lot bigger jack than the one I put in there before. So what we'll have to do is use the other jack. I'll have to go in the house, and when I go in the house, we're going to see if we can bend this plate a little bit. I ordered 4. They come in packs of 4. It was cheaper to buy the 4 than it was to buy 1. What is with some of these part dealers, man? Some of them want to charge me almost as much for the shipping as it was for the jack itself. This one here, I got 4 of them for the price of that one jack and free shipping. Oh, anyway, I don't know what I think anymore. So anyway, let's see if this fits. Yes, I just got to be able to bend that. I can get you in camera here so I can see what I'm doing. See what I'm talking about here. See, this plate needs to be bent. Is that showing or not? All right. So this plate right here, because of its being flat, it's not going with the curve of my guitar. So now I got to figure out a way of bending this so that it will fit better. So I'll bring you back in once I figure that out. Alrighty, we'll talk to you guys later on. Bye now. Took that piece. You can see the corner of my table here. I took that and laid that across there like that, held it with a pair of pliers and my hammer, and just beat on it until I beat it into submission. And that's pretty much it right there. No matter which way I turn it now, at least it fits pretty close enough. And now go in and put the other output jack on that and see if it'll go in there. And that'll be it for now. Looks like I'll have to do another part when I do the setup. I'll do a setup to it, wire it, set it up. Will be on a different video. Alrighty, I'll talk at you all later. Bye.